Hello, my happy family. Greetings to you all. You are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video, guys, can you see this beautiful cake? I'm going to be showing you how I get the flour done, because when I did the video, I was not able to add how I decorate this flour in addition, in order for the video not to be too long. So guys, if you are interested in knowing how to make your flour or your roses, just make yourself comfortable. Let's do this together. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, don't pass by without subscribing. Encourage your girl, your sister. Please subscribe, share this video, share the link, like the video, please. Guys, let's get started. So this is the materials I'm going to be using. This the flour or the roses cake cutters that I'm going to be using, guys. On this particular one, I'm going to be using just 2, okay? And this is icing sugar and other equipment I'm going to be working fondant also. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do, I will just take a little bit of pieces of it, because I don't really need much of it. I will be doing a little ones right in the camera, while I will finish it off camera. I don't want the video to be too long, so that don't look boring for you. Guys, any of my explanation, if I am too fast, if it's not okay for you, feel free to drop your comment on the description box. I will get back to you. Guys, the next thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to need this fondant. I will make sure it's very light, so that I can work with it, or so that I can get the desired shape that I want to see. And if the flour is too thick when you roll it out, and the result that you are going to get from it, it will not be encouraging. Make sure it's very flat, just like what you are saying, guys. So what I'm doing now, I just want me to use the cake cutter floss to cut cut it out, then take off the excess that is not really necessary, so that okay, the excess I'm still going to work with it, guys. So can you see exactly what I'm doing? I use these 2 cake cutter to achieve that. So I will go ahead and place it on my tray gently, so that I will allow it to dry a little bit before I will start working with it. So guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing, this silicone cake cutter, I will also be using it to get other cake design, okay? And this one also will also be a part of the cake decoration, or achieving this flour that I'm going to be, or roses that I'm going to be doing, guys. I hope you are watching. Please, if you like what you are seeing, guys, please I really please with you, please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends. There might be some of your friends that is struggling of how to do the cake decoration. They can start somewhere. Guys, on my channel, I teach everything from the scratch. Guys, follow me, be among this happy family. You will not have any cause to regret. I hope you are still watching. So this one is that I'm using there, guys. I will mix it with a vanilla, and you can mix it with alcohols, and there's a special alcohol for that. The next thing I'm going to be doing, I will just give it a little bit of touch. So can you see how it looks like? So I will finish the rest off camera, and also this I will also finish it off camera. But exactly what you see here, that is how I'm going to finish the rest one. Guys, once I am done, is here the main flour will get started at this point now, guys. I hope you are still with me. I hope you are still watching. Let's move on, guys. For you to be able to bring them together, a little bit of a touch of water is necessary, but not really much, just a little bit of touch, okay? I will touch the front of it, then I will place it, then I will keep on introducing it one after the other, until I see that I am satisfied with what I am seeing. I will stop adding, okay? Guys, nothing is really too difficult. Are you interested in cake decoration, or you just love watching? But any of them, If you are interested in cake decoration, after you watch this video, guys, just go to any supermarket around you. I believe that in terms of fondant, you can get it. If you live in Europe, you can get it in any supermarket, but it will be in a little bit quantity, like 250 grams. That is what you can get in any supermarket close to you. But for you to get like the big size that you saw, that is a 2.5 kilo or 1 kilo, you have to be in a cake house where cake things is being sold. So once I am done, guys, for me to really, so that the something will become firm, I will just use a little bit of round shape objects like that. I will use it to, I will place it on it so that I will allow it to dry. So exactly what you just see me doing here, guys, that is how I'm going to finish it. There is nothing too special in it anymore. So I am almost done. Guys, give it a try, give it a try. But if you are not interested in cake decoration, you just feel like watching, guys, thank you. I really appreciate you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Bless you and bless your family in the name of Jesus. Guys, I love you guys, because without you guys watching my video, guys, I cannot really be doing this video and be watching it myself. From the bottom of my heart, I really want to appreciate you guys for being there, for being part of this family. I believe that your time spending, it will not be in vain. So can you see this elegant cake, guys? This is how I achieved this floor that you are seeing. Can you see how lovely and wonderful it is? But that blue, I'm not going to be using it. I just decided to add it to it, okay, so that you can see that you can use any color of your choice. Bye bye.